I bet you didn't know how powerful visual storytelling can be. Welcome to the Introduction to Data Visualization. In this section, we will explore the power of visual storytelling and unveil key insights. Imagine walking through a bustling city, surrounded by digital screens and people glued to their smartphones. In today's data-driven world, information bombards us from every direction. Picture a business person, drowning in a sea of data charts and cluttered desks. Making sense of this deluge of raw data can feel like an insurmountable challenge. But then, like a beacon of clarity, data visualization steps in. It transforms complex datasets into compelling visual narratives. Imagine trying to decipher the stock market by staring at endless rows of numbers. It's a daunting task. The frustration and confusion are palpable. But with a simple line chart, trends and patterns emerge instantly, like magic. Data visualization unlocks the hidden stories within data, empowering us to make informed decisions and uncover insights. Imagine a world where data is just a sea of numbers, overwhelming and incomprehensible. But then, a skilled artist steps in, transforming this chaos into a beautiful, insightful masterpiece. This is the essence of data visualization. It's not just about creating charts and graphs, it's about weaving a story that reveals hidden patterns and insights that might otherwise remain buried. Through these visual tales, we can quickly understand complex relationships, spot trends, and identify outliers. Our brains are naturally wired to process visual information more efficiently than raw numbers, making these visual stories powerful tools for comprehension and interpretation. Effective data visualization transforms data from a jumbled mess into a clear and compelling narrative. It allows us to see the big picture, identify areas for further investigation, and share our discoveries in a way that captivates and persuades. Whether you're a business executive, a scientist, or a student, data visualization empowers you to unlock the true potential of your data and extract meaningful insights that drive better decision-making. I bet you didn't know that data is often compared to crude oil. Just like crude oil, raw data needs refining to reveal its true value. Picture yourself trying to extract insights from raw data. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack, time-consuming, frustrating, and often fruitless. One of the biggest hurdles is the sheer volume of raw data. In our digital age, we generate an unprecedented amount of data, making it a daunting task to sift through and identify what's truly important. Moreover, raw data is often messy, incomplete, and riddled with errors, complicating the analysis even further. Without proper visualization, our brains struggle to process large amounts of numerical data. We are prone to cognitive biases and may miss subtle patterns or anomalies that could hold valuable insights. This can lead to poor decision-making, missed opportunities, and ultimately, a failure to harness the full potential of data. This is why data visualization is so crucial. It acts as a refining process, transforming raw, unstructured data into digestible and insightful visuals that empower us to make informed decisions. Imagine you're an artist with a blank canvas, and your data is the paint. The world of data visualization offers a rich palette of chart types, each one a unique brushstroke to bring your masterpiece to life. The key to creating a compelling visual story lies in choosing the right chart. It's like picking the perfect color to convey your message and avoid any misleading impressions. Take bar charts, for example. They're like the sturdy backbone of your artwork, ideal for comparing categories and showcasing rankings with clarity. Their simple, structured form makes it easy to compare values at a glance, much like a well-defined sketch. Now, imagine a line chart. It's the flowing brushstroke that captures trends over time, allowing viewers to track changes and identify patterns, much like a timeline in a historical painting. Scatter plots, on the other hand, are like a constellation of stars, revealing relationships between two variables, uncovering hidden correlations and clusters within your data. And then there are pie charts. Think of them as a slice of your data pie, effective for showcasing parts of a whole, but best used sparingly to avoid clutter. Beyond these basics, a world of specialized visualizations awaits. Heat maps, tree maps, and network diagrams each offer unique perspectives, like different artistic styles that bring out the nuances in your data. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each chart type is like mastering different painting techniques. It's crucial for selecting the most appropriate visualization to tell your data story effectively. Section 5. Choosing the right chart. Matching purpose with visualization. Imagine you're an artist, and your canvas is a blank chart. The choice of your brush, the chart type, is not just about aesthetics. It's a pivotal decision that can either bring your data to life or bury it in confusion. Picture this: a well-designed chart that illuminates the story your data tells, versus a cluttered one that leaves your audience scratching their heads. Before you even pick up that brush, take a moment to ponder. What is your objective? What narrative are you weaving with your data? Are you comparing categories, showcasing trends, exploring relationships, or highlighting distributions? Once your story is clear, consider the nature of your data. Is it categorical, numerical, or temporal? Each chart type is a tool, crafted to best represent specific data types. For instance, using a pie chart to depict continuous data is like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole, misleading and ineffective. Equally crucial is knowing your audience. Who are they, and what is their level of data literacy? Choose a chart type that resonates with them, one they can easily grasp and interpret. Steer clear of overly complex visualizations that might bewilder or intimidate your viewers. By thoughtfully considering your purpose, data type, and audience, you can select the most effective chart type to clearly and accurately convey your data's message, turning your canvas into a masterpiece. Welcome to the Advanced Techniques and Best Practices section. Here, we will cover comparative analysis, tips, and advanced visualization techniques to empower your decision-making. Once upon a time in the world of data visualization, two giants emerged, Tableau and Power BI. As the complexity of data grew, so did the need for powerful tools to make sense of it all. Tableau and Power BI rose to the challenge, each bringing unique strengths to the table. Tableau enchanted users with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. It seamlessly connected to numerous data sources and offered a treasure trove of pre-built charts. But, like all treasures, Tableau came at a price, and its data modeling had its limits. Power BI, on the other hand, integrated effortlessly with the Microsoft ecosystem. It boasted strong data modeling and transformation capabilities, making it a formidable contender. With competitive pricing and features, Power BI stood tall against Tableau. The choice between them depended on one's needs and budget. Fortunately, both offered free trials, inviting users to embark on their own journey of discovery. Once upon a time in the world of data, there was a quest to craft the most effective visualizations. This journey, filled with tips and best practices, was essential for anyone looking to transform raw data into compelling stories. Imagine creating a masterpiece where data comes to life, blending the art and science of visualization. This is the heart of our story. Our heroes, the data enthusiasts, knew that mastering advanced techniques required time and practice. Yet they discovered that adhering to fundamental principles could significantly enhance their visual storytelling. One of the most crucial elements in their journey was clarity. Without it, their visual tales would be lost in translation. They learned that a clear hierarchy of information was key. Their visualizations needed to be understood at a glance, guiding the audience effortlessly through the data. With clear and concise labels, legends, and annotations, they could lead their audience through the data, avoiding the pitfalls of clutter. They knew that too much information packed into a single visualization could overwhelm viewers and obscure the message they sought to convey. So they focused on highlighting key insights, removing any unnecessary elements that might distract from the main point. Choosing a visually appealing color palette that complemented their data and brand identity was another secret weapon in their arsenal. They used color strategically to highlight important data points or to differentiate between categories, making their visualizations pop. However, they were cautious not to use too many colors, as this could create visual noise and make their visualizations difficult to interpret. Above all, they always kept their audience in mind. They tailored their visualizations to the audience's level of understanding, considering their prior knowledge of the subject matter. By following these best practices, our heroes created data visualizations that were not only visually appealing, but also informative, engaging, and memorable. And so, their journey in the world of data visualization continued, crafting stories that resonated and inspired. Welcome to Section 8, where we journey beyond the basics into the realm of advanced visualization techniques. Imagine you've mastered the fundamentals of data visualization. Now, it's time to explore advanced techniques that can transform your visuals into compelling stories. Picture this: interactive visualizations that allow users to dive deep into data, exploring specific points or filtering by categories at their own pace. This interactivity not only engages users, but also provides a richer understanding of the data. Now let's take it a step further with data storytelling. Imagine weaving narratives around your data, turning raw numbers into a compelling story. By combining striking visuals with a clear storyline, you create immersive experiences that resonate deeply with your audience. And then, there are the emerging technologies like virtual reality, or VR, and augmented reality, or AR. These offer thrilling new possibilities for data visualization. Imagine stepping inside your data, exploring complex relationships in a three-dimensional space, or overlaying data visualizations onto the real world. These immersive experiences have the potential to revolutionize how we understand and interact with data. By embracing these advanced techniques, you can push the boundaries of data visualization, unlocking new insights and creating truly unforgettable visual experiences. Chapter 9. The Grand Finale: Empowering Decisions Through Data. Visualization. Imagine a world overflowing with data where visualization becomes our guiding light, leading us to clarity and insight. Picture yourself transforming raw, complex data into captivating visual stories. These stories empower us to understand our world better and make more informed decisions. Throughout this journey, we've uncovered the magic of data visualization, explored various techniques and tools, and learned how to create visuals that leave a lasting impact. From selecting the perfect chart type to weaving compelling narratives, each step is crucial in unlocking the true potential of your data. As we continue to generate data at an unprecedented pace, the ability to visualize and interpret this information becomes ever more essential. Embracing the power of data visualization allows us to turn this data flood into a valuable asset, driving innovation, enhancing decision-making, and ultimately shaping a brighter future. Now the stage is yours. Take the principles and techniques we've discussed and apply them to your own data adventures. Dive in, experiment, and uncover the hidden stories within your data. The insights you discover might just surprise you. Gap 3S, Scene 10, Call to Action and Community Engagement. As we conclude our journey into the world of data visualization, we invite you to become an active part of our community. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and grow together. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tips, tutorials, and insights on data visualization. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues who could benefit from mastering data visualization. We value your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next, or any challenges you've faced in your data visualization journey. Together we can continue to learn, innovate, and turn data into powerful stories that drive change. Thank you for being a part of our community. Until next time, keep exploring, keep visualizing, and keep empowering your decisions through data.